guava. You trim the end. And then if you have any spots, you can, yeah. And this is good. It's healthy. And like that. It looks so beautiful. Perfect. Six. Like it is full of seeds. We're gonna do pounds. So it's 6 ounces so far. So we need 2 pounds. $12. Oh, it's not even. Just gonna boil it. Yeah. So you see, the guavas are soft. Good. And you're gonna let it cool off and then put it in the blender. That's the light. Timer. It says 15. I'm gonna do 15 or 20 minutes until they're completely. So you see, the guavas are soft. And you're gonna let it cool off and then put it in the blender. You want to put the camera there and see. This is where the guava candy comes from, guava paste. Let me see. So we're straining the seeds. See? No seeds in that one. It says 600 to 800, but I saw some people, they don't put any sugar in there, so
okay,
I'm not
got it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put 400 or 400 grams of sugar. Were you able to get the lemon? I'm just gonna use that. And of this. I don't want to touch it. It's probably very hot. Like a little bit more like even. See if we can mold it nicely. Some of them are more full than others.